Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Waze for motorcycle navigation so you can get routes that better match your riding style. Whether you're a daily motorcycle commuter, planning a long ride, or you simply want Waze to stop giving you car-specific routes, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Waze app on your phone and wait for it to load completely on the main map screen. Once you're there, tap on the menu icon and head into Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for Navigation. This section controls how Waze plans your routes, so make sure to follow along carefully and don't skip any steps. Next, tap on Vehicle Type. By default, Waze is usually set to private car, which means it plans routes based on car roads, turns, and restrictions. When you tap on Vehicle Type, you'll see multiple options. Select Motorcycle and confirm the change by tapping OK. This tells Waze that you're riding a motorcycle, not driving a car. Once this is set, Waze will automatically adjust routes to better suit motorcycles. You may notice changes like different road preferences, faster lane access, and routes that are more practical for two-wheelers. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Everything is designed to be quick and easy, with nothing technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Waze app is updated to the latest version, enable GPS and location permissions, and double-check that motorcycle stays selected after app updates. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent routing issues later on. Once you've completed these steps, return to the main map and start a new route. After that, you should be able to navigate using motorcycle-friendly directions without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test the route on a short ride first, just to see how Waze behaves. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and gives you confidence on longer trips. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set Waze for motorcycle navigation easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with other riders who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's ride easier and safer?